My name is Sean Thomas Owen and I'm a creative freelancer. We started the project about a year ago where Dr. Matthews from Swansea University and myself visited 6 secondary schools in South East Wales, and then we travelled around the local area and looked at many of the memorials around the area for each school. And since most of the secondary Welsh schools in South Wales were built after 1945, they haven't got their own memorials. So the point of the project is to create a modern memorial designed and depicted by the pupils. Travel then around each local area for each school for specific memorials and chapels or in squares. And then the following week, I would go in with a plain 8-foot by 4-foot plywood, chopped into 4, and a box of paint. And the pupils then would be, well, I would remind them of certain parts, and they would say which things stood out to them. And then we Googled a few different things, so the difference between Googling war and Googling Rhyfel, which is the Welsh equivalent, to see how Wales is represented in war memorials. And then by around dinner time, they would have collected all their ideas and things they remembered and things they wanted to show. And we would have sort of got a basic design together, which I would have drawn on the whiteboard by collecting different ideas. During dinner time then, I would have cut the shape that they decided on, and then from dinner time to the end of school, they painted the entire memorial. And it was great to see sort of plain idea with nothing on it, and then by the end of the day we printed an entire memorial. I think the message is quite important because almost all the pupils who worked on these memorials were between 13 and 15. So they've never experienced war, and the only war they've sort of heard of recently is the Russia-Ukraine war. So there's no World War I, their parents probably didn't experience World War II either. So they've only lived in a time of peace, and every one of these memorials, which are very different to ones from 100 years ago, are memorials for peace, they're not war memorials. It's interesting, if you look at each one, they're very local and they're very hopeful. So I think the main thing that people can take away from it is that the next generation is one of hope.